Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create twisted rope in Plasticity. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a regular polygon. We're going to click on the center of our grid and we're going to pull that out. Now, I got 12 sides right now. If you don't, what you do is you hold down your Shift key and you scroll your mouse wheel until you are at 12. All right, something like that. There you go. Now that we have this, we're going to jump to our top view and we're going to go to CV mode or hit 1 on your keyboard, and we're going to grab every other CV. So select one, skip one, right? Okay, like this. Alrighty, and then that one, and we're good. Then we're going to hit S to scale and we're going to push them in until we have kind of like a star shape like this. Click on OK. Then we're going to drag select all of them. If my mouse will play, there you go. Select all of them. Hit B on your keyboard and we're going to round them over until we have something like this. All right. Good rope shape. Now the problem is you're probably thinking, okay, let's extrude this and we're done. Well, in Plasticity you can extrude it, but you can't twist it. Not with the extrude tool anyway. So instead what we're going to do is we're going to use the sweep tool. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a straight line, we're going to put it in the center of this guy, and we're going to drag that up to about there, right click to accept, there you go. And then next up what we're going to do is we're going to select this shape right here, we're going to go and select our sweep tool or hit Shift P, and then it's going to say, okay, where do you want it to go? Right there. There's your regular sweep, right? But instead, you now have the option to twist. So I can go in here and, for example, type in 600, right? And when I hit enter, we'll give it a second, you now have a section of twisted rope. So that's how easy that is. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.